Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. We are back with Chef Valerie from the OUT School of Community Medicine. It's a good time to be a vegetable, I guess.
So there are tons of vegetables available at the farmer's market, and that's great for you because you definitely want to try to fill your plate half with fruits and vegetables. So vegetables today are winning. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick vegetable stir fry, and I say quick because we're going to be able to do the entire cooking process during this segment if I talk really, really fast. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and add to this very hot preheated pan a couple of teaspoons of oil, and you'll notice that I am measuring it because we want to make sure that our food is not soaked in oil. And so as soon as that oil hits the pan, it starts to shimmer and sizzle just a little bit, and immediately into the pan we're going to go ahead and put some sugar snap peas, which you can get at the farmer's market right now. Okay, so those are already starting to sizzle. Some mushrooms, and you know, sky's the limit on this. Mushrooms, garlic, peppers, eggplant, zucchini, squash, you know, all of these things are available at the market and are super delicious and good for you. So we have some carrots, and this is all going to get, oh, and I have some red bell pepper. Okay, all going to get sauteed together. And this should be a really fast process, but the stove went down on me. It's all right. So these are going to cook until the greens are very, very bright green.
Okay.
The mushrooms have gotten a little bit softer. The reds and oranges, everything intensifies in the color, and
that's when you know it's ready.
Softens just a little bit, right. Yeah. And obviously you cannot undercook stir fry because you could eat all of these vegetables raw, so they're done. So a lot of times people say, well, how do I know if it's done? Well, vegetables are done when you want them to be done, right? Okay, so these have already started to turn a little bit bright green. And so let's just assume that we had cooked this for just a little bit longer.
Okay.
And then we have a sauce that we're going to pour on here. And this is low sodium or lower sodium soy sauce, honey, vegetable stock, sesame oil, garlic, fresh ginger, and all this is available on the website that you can get the recipe.
Right.
Okay, so we're just on cornstarch. That's the most important part in terms of thickening the sauce. So you want it to have a little bit of thickness, and cornstarch makes a nice clear sauce too. So once this has cooked just a little bit more, this mixture goes in. You can hear that nice sizzle.
And the smell.
Smells delicious. Okay, it does smell very nice. Oh, that ginger smells awesome. Okay, and so that's going to reduce and bubble, and it's going to make a nice thick sauce. You could serve this over whole grain like brown rice. You could serve it with some seared chicken or fish, some seared tofu. Edamame would be a really good, like the green soybeans. This would be a really good addition to this dish to give it a little extra protein. Okay, so this is going to sizzle a little bit and really cook down, but overall, this is our dish right here.
That.
Very beautiful.
Can I show the camera here? Just like that. Once again, the recipe's on our website. Chef Val, thank you. Good stuff. The smell is incredible.